So we are back in the... Look at what the tornado did to us. To the poor trees. And she's happy. Because it's so...
Amazing, amazing!
It's a little bit cold here. Okay, don't talk, I wanna... That's the thing what we saw and took a video of earlier. That's the other one here.
Big trees.
Ich fühle mich echt wie bei...
Big tree?
I feel like I'm in the day after tomorrow or something. Like in the TV.
You
like
mean
the people.
2012.
What's THWB? They really... Ja, abgesperrt.
You have to go down there.
Was heißt abgesperrt?
Don't cross the line.
Yeah, they kinda... Only for the cars. It's so scary. It's like, wow. Yes, I had an adrenaline rush. It's very common. You can Google it. Okay, that's it. It's not that hard here anymore. Not that. Yeah, the other tree. Hey there.
I think it's gone. Hi.
I think what the worst happened to us is the door, the window in the door. Oh, it's gone. There was another one thing of the tree thing.
Here.
That's what left of the roof.
That's
here.
the roof.
That
the
was.
Roof. The roof.
The roof is on fire.
Burn, motherfucker, burn.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. All
And
right.
he said no one wants to see her naked.
All right. Bye again.
Bye again.
Bye. 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 Bye.